This is a delicious breakfast sandwich from the foothills of North Carolina. Use the free app Bobby Approved to ensure all the ingredients are clean. Simple truth: avocado cooking spray from most major grocery stores. Use it to lightly coat the pan. Add 2 pasture-raised eggs. Available at most major grocery stores. Pasture-raised is very important. Stir the eggs to scramble. Simply nature. Beef hot dogs, beef from grass-fed cows. Available at Aldi. This brand is delicious. Chop up the hot dog and mix into the eggs. Spread Primal Kitchen Chipotle Lime Mayonnaise onto the bread. It is available at most major grocery stores. For bread, use Knock Your Sprouts Off from Aldi. Dave's Killer Bread Powerseed available at many stores. Our favorite is white bread ordered from Bread of Heaven. Fold the eggs and hot dog, then place on the bread. Fold it one more time to fit the bread. Add a slice of cheese from grass-fed cows. This is Horizon Organic Cheese Slices available at Harris Teeter and Publix. Add a slice of butter from grass-fed cows to the pan. Toast the sandwich in the buttered pan. Flip the sandwich and move around in the butter. Complete the toasting of this side. Enjoy this breakfast sandwich with hot dog, eggs, and cheese. No bad seed oils, no sugars, and no extra chemicals. Just clean food, pasture-raised eggs, beef and cheese from grass-fed cows, and clean bread. It's not health food, but food that can make you healthy. It is super delicious. Please like, subscribe, share, and follow.